is the Spicy Curry Bosch from Yuba. This is another one of their Bosch electric pedal assist cargo bikes. This is a long tail cargo, so this is your classic cargo size. This will fit about 3 kids. It's also equipped for 2 Yep child seats if you would prefer. What I love about this is that it does also have the Bosch CX motor, so it has a lot of torque. I mean, this was designed to be able to go up San Francisco style hills with kids or cargo. As you can see, it also is a great resource for small businesses with this cargo space just being able to hold a variety of different things. And this bike is retailing for $44.99 and is available at yubabikes.com.